Hello guys, this is Vineet from Edge Forex, and I'm sorry for not doing a trade setup or analysis video for a while because I've been doing some live videos. And I was hoping that you guys would, come join me live on the live streams, but no, that was not too much of a success. So I said, okay, let me do both. I'm gonna put out some trade setups and analysis videos along with the do some live analysis. So whatever suits you guys, you can join, ask questions, have a healthy conversation about markets and where things are going. So we're looking at a 4-hour chart of USD, Euro USD. So every bar is 4 hours, and trend is clearly low. From the left of the chart to the right of the chart, we can see the trend is definitely low, going from top, from 112.5 and then going all the way down right now at 104.85. And I don't think the move is over yet. And why do I say that here? Because we've been short this trade right from the top, and I've been documenting the entire thing from the day one. The day we went short on this trade were around 111.5, around 112. And we've been shorting, adding to our shorts on a periodic basis. And I'll tell you what's our logic behind going adding more. So that's where we went short the first time when it actually broke this trend and then started going short. Then we started adding some more here when it actually broke this. So as you can see, this is nothing but a bearish flag setup. And when that breaks, you know that it's going to accelerate. So now again, that's exact same happen again. We had a trend down, and here is again a bearish flag setup, and it's broken out of that bearish trend setup. Bearish flag setup, and now it has started its descent down. And in my opinion, it is now going to accelerate. Now, what is our price target? Is going to go very close to parity. So let's see the moves that it actually previously made. So the first move it made out of the breakout was, say, from top to bottom around 370 pips. The second move it made from the breakout to the actual bottom, it's about 500 pips, guys. So for 370, 500, so every move is actually getting bigger. So the next move, we are very conservative saying is going to go to parity, which is about 480 pips from here. That's our conservative bet. That's our initial target of parity. Why I say parity? Because if I zoom out, there is not much here. So there's where we've already broken. So see, there's a vacuum right here going all the way down to 95, 94. And that's our target for this particular move. It is going to go actually lower than that. But again, we'll talk about it when we get closer to that point. But right now, we are closer to parity, which is only about 480 pips. So now our target for this move is about 480 pips around parity. And then we'll come out with another video and discuss how things look. And why do I think? Okay, we look at the technical side of things now. We look at the structure. It's very beautifully set up, and it's just a matter of time. It's going to accelerate. Now, let's look at the time. Okay, guys. So the first move took from here to here. That was 31 days. All right, guys. And then the second move took from here to here. That is 19 days, guys. I'm sorry. Yeah, let me, it's not actually here. So first one was 27 days. Second one was 19 days, guys. So it's accelerating. So even with time, it's faster, the down move, and with pips also is bigger. So what's that's telling me is trend is not slowing down, is actually accelerating. Now it has broken, and it's only a few days, and I believe into the year end is going to accelerate. Now, that's the technical side of things. Now, let's look at the fundamentals. What's working for USD? And I've been telling you guys again and again and again that, hey, money moves where it's treated best. And right now it's treated best in the US because of the interest rates. Europe is cutting rates dramatically. Swiss National Bank just came out a couple of days ago and they cut rates by 50 basis points, which was absolutely crazy. Nobody was expecting that. Canadians did the same thing. But US, I believe they're going to cut by 25 basis points, but that's going to be the end of it. But Europe and Canada and Swiss National Bank, they're going to keep cutting into the next year and way into the next year, all the way into the next year. So that said, US is going to treat the money best, and that is why I am convinced that it's going to get stronger. That's one of the reasons. Another reason is Trump and tariffs. Now, think about it, guys. Yes, tariffs are bad. I'm not saying I support or not support tariffs. I'm strictly talking what is going to happen if Trump even goes 10% of what he's saying. So he's saying I'm going to put 25% tariff. I say even if he puts 5% tariff or 10% tariff, what does that mean? That means that if, for example, you're a Chinese company and you want to come into the US and you want to sell your Chinese goods for, say, $100, now it's going to cost you 110. So now all of a sudden you have to pay $10 to the government of the US. Now you have to buy those $10 by selling your own currency. So now there's demand for the US dollars. Okay, so now Trump is also saying that if you set up a company, if you set up a factory, manufacturing factory in the US and you invest more than $1 billion, he's going to get rid of all the red tape. So now you want to set up a factory in the US, what are you going to need? You're going to need US dollars. So there is a lot of demand for US dollars as of now, and that's kind of building up slowly behind the scenes, and that is also showing up in the charts. So both the fundamentals and the technicals, they are actually aligning beautifully. So that is why we are convinced that this is an opportunity to go short and go short aggressively. But again, nothing is 100%. Now, what would make me change my mind? It would be if the price breaks above the previous high. Let me do here. If price breaks above this level, say around 106.50, I'm going to rethink the entire strategy. But till then, nothing's going to convince me that, hey, it's not going to work out the way we are expecting it to. But if the price breaks above 106.50, I'm going to relook at everything, relook at macro, relook at everything, start closing some of our positions because we are way, 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 way into a lot of profits because we've been adding positions all the way from 111 and a half. So I think that's about it. We're pretty clear as to what our direction is. If you have not put in any positions now, guys, I think it's a very good time to start building some positions. Don't go all in. Do like we did at every interval, like the 100 pips, 200 pips, start adding to it. And other thing is EUR USD sell are swap positive. So you are getting paid to wait and accumulate profits. Guys, doesn't get any better than that. So this is our short to midterm trade that we are in right now. And as always, we are transparent. We are out every single time we put on a trade. We are out in our Discord and we show you guys, hey, this is what we are doing because that's what we do. We tell our guys, we tell our members, we tell our friends, our family, our Road to a Million Club family, what we do in real time. So that's it. I'm going to say bye for now, and I'm going to keep coming out with regular updates again because I'm not getting the traction or the attendance for the live sessions. I don't know why, guys. Come on, join me. All right, I'll see you on the live ones. All right, thanks.